explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 12 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is prepositions. Right? So, what are these prepositions? Prepositions are the words that are used to show the position of a noun or a pronoun in the sentence. राइट जो वर्ड्स हमें नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस की पोजीशन के बारे में बताते हैं एक सेंटेंस में, उन्हें हम prepositions कहते हैं. So, let us begin with the chapter and see what they are telling us about the prepositions in detail. So, prepositions are the words which show the position or relation of a noun or a pronoun with regard to other words, that is, in, on, onto, at, upon, ever, by, of, to, from, across, with, या फिर down, etc. Right? ये सभी prepositions हमें पोजीशन के बारे में बताते हैं या फिर रिलेशन के बारे में बताते हैं एक नाउन और प्रोनाउन के किसी और वर्ड्स के साथ. राइट? ये सभी वर्ड्स जो यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं ये prepositions हैं. नाउ वी हैव एग्जाम्पल्स. तो अब बात करते हैं एग्जाम्पल्स की. सो इट इज व्हाट इज द टाइम बाय योर वॉच. She is going to market with her sister. I have kept the books on my study table. Please come soon. I am waiting for you. Right? Now, we have some important rules for the use of preposition. तो अब यहाँ पर इन prepositions के uses के बारे में कुछ important points दिए गए हैं, rules दिए गए हैं. जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं कि इन अलग अलग prepositions को हम कैसे use करते हैं. So, the first one is in is used with countries and large towns. तो इनका यूज हम करते हैं जब हमें कंट्रीज या फिर लार्ज टाउन्स के बारे में बात करनी होती है. करेक्ट? At is used with villages and small towns. At का यूज किया जाता है villages या फिर small towns के लिए. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट, to and into are used when things are in motion. कि to और into यूज किए जाते हैं जब चीजें मोशन में होती हैं. राइट? Upon is used when things are in motion. Upon का यूज किया जाता है जब things खुद मोशन में होती हैं. राइट? Onto is used when things are at rest. On का यूज किया जाता है जब चीजें रेस्ट में होती हैं. Till is used with time. Till का यूज हम करते हैं टाइम के लिए. Within is used to indicate in less than a period of time or inside a place. कि within को यूज किया जाता है इंडिकेट करने के लिए in less than a period of time या फिर inside a place. Right? Since is used with point of time, usually with perfect tenses. Since का यूज किया जाता है एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के लिए जब भी हमें परफेक्ट टेंसेस शो करने हो. Before is used to mean earlier than something else. किसी भी काम से पहले अगर हमें किसी चीज को रेफर करना है तो हम before का यूज करते हैं. Between is used in the middle of two persons or things. Between का यूज किया जाता है दो persons या फिर दो things के बीच के चीज को रेफर करने के लिए. From is used with time with all the tenses. फ्रॉम का यूज किया जाता है टाइम के लिए सभी टेंसेस में. In and at are used when things are at rest. In और at का यूज किया जाता है जब चीजें रेस्ट पोजिशन में होती हैं. Among is used with more than two persons or things. Among का यूज किया जाता है दो से ज्यादा persons या फिर things के लिए. For is used with period of time. For का यूज किया जाता है period of time के लिए. By is used with agent. By का यूज करते हैं हम किसी एजेंट के साथ. With is used with instrument. With को यूज करते हैं हम किसी इंस्ट्रूमेंट के साथ. To is used with place. To हम यूज करते हैं किसी जगह के साथ. Beside is used to indicate at the side of. Beside का यूज किया जाता है इंडिकेट करने के लिए कि इस चीज के बराबर में, राइट, किसी चीज के बराबर में. Besides का यूज किया जाता है to indicate in addition to, राइट, कि अगर हमें बताना है इस चीज के अलावा तब हम besides वर्ड का यूज करते हैं. So these were the rules to use some kind of these prepositions. Now we have usage of prepositions कि हम इन prepositions का use किस condition में करते हैं. Let's read this. Mr. Kumar has good relation with his neighbors, right? I am not angry with you. I will reach school by 7 o'clock. My mother is not interested in music. Are you not pleased with my work? He has great proficiency in English. They are kind to us. He is fond of reading. Mix sugar with water. Why are you insisting on going out? She has been living in Delhi since 2002. Neha is afraid of cats. The snake was killed by Rohit. He deals in sugar. Distribute these mangoes among your friends. The girl was sitting beside her mother. He has great regards for his teacher. I am confident of my success. Reena has recovered from her illness. Have they discovered the cause of fire? The students are keen to solve these sums. You should keep control over your emotions. My friend belongs to a noble family. Sumita is married to Raj. You are not fit for this job. Water is essential to life. The cat jumped over the wall. I am sorry for being late. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the prepositions, rules for their usage, right? So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.